In opening this video, I'd like to say, please use caution. You are going to be working with gas. Make sure your gas is turned off. And at the end, before you're ready to fire it up, to know that if it has a leak, you get some Dawn dish soap, put it in a half a cup of soapy water, half a cup of water, mix it up, and then get a brush and brush the soap onto the tubing where you connected the tubing to your coil. And if it makes bubbles, that means there's a leak. Then if you're concerned, if you have an old gas line and you're concerned, does that have a break? Do the same. Put the soapy water, brush it on every inch. Check that out. 1 inch, check it out. If it's not bubbling, go to the next inch and then the next one. And if any one of those have any bubbles, that where it's bubbling up. So when you brush it on, there's going to be little suds. But if it starts bubbling up, that means that pressure is being released and it's making bubbles. Then you might want to change out that line. That would be your best bet. Okay, thank you very much. And please like our video, share, comment. Let me know, have you converted your fireplace and from what? Wood to gas, gas to wood? All right. Thank you very much and enjoy. Okay. Today we're going to show you something very easy, but it looks like it's difficult. We're going to hook up the gas line to the fireplace. It was a wood burning fireplace, and we converted it over to a gas fireplace. All right, Jim, you want to show them how easy this is?
Poof. There it is.
Poof.
Not wrong. Take your gas line right here. Half inch gas line goes all the way down under the house out to the 300-pound tank.
Okay.
It's one solid piece of copper.
And we had the gas man install that for us. But you could easily do it. This was years ago.
You got your insert. Gas fittings are different. You don't need tape or anything. So all you do is hook your little thing to your gas line.
Okay. All right.
No Teflon tape, no paste. You don't need it with gas lines like this.
All right, and then you put that up there.
Tighten, and this sits up in there.
And then your logs, your ceramic logs, fit right on top. We're going to put our logs on top, and then we'll show you how beautiful it is.
And this is the electronic control.
But then Jim also went and installed the wire to that. So now we just walk in here, we flick that switch, and presto. Okay. Be right back. If you find this video of some use, and even if you don't, if you would please like our video, subscribe to our channel. We're going to do a lot of how-to videos. We are construction workers. We build mechanical. We do a lot, even crafts, but heavy crafts, you know, like ladders, real step ladders, things like that. We'll bring a lot to you in the future. We're going to try to do this every day. We have a couple of contractors in the area that are willing to show us how to build different things for our audience. But if you would, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. We would really appreciate it. Right now we're out of work, and this is our income. Thank you.